month's March bullet journal setup is inspired by one of my favorite childhood singers, Katy Perry, and as you may have guessed, this is inspired by her music video Raw, which is a safari jungle kind of vibe. I use washi tape to create a clean border so I can write March and all the dates as well as a quote by her. This is a new type of setup for me, and I think it'll be quite interesting and fun to have this colourful border and the dates in the middle. Next up is my habit tracker. I decided to try a new format this time because I just started uni and I feel like I'm not going to be able to draw those little symbols, so it's quite simple. I just wrote it on one side, and if I've done it, I'll colour that little square in for the day. I also merged my monthly goals with my habit tracker to save some space, and I included a reflection space so at the end of the month I can write, did I actually do as many habits I wanted and all that. Who knows, maybe it'll be more productive this way. And I also did my must do weekly goals at the bottom of the table. Next up, my mood tracker. This is a must-have because it really just helps me keep up with my mental health and lets me know there are so many good things in life, as I say. And again, this is the safari theme with some ferns. Each leaf is one day, and next to it I have my keys so I can indicate what the mood of that day was. Next up, gratitude log. I love doing this because then it lets me know how many good things happen to me each day and what a lucky person I am. I tried to use the font from Katy Perry's Prism album and made the border that kind of colour scheme. I don't know, the reference isn't that big, so I just included a quote by her underneath my gratitude log. Now this is a completely new spread I've never done before. It is a weekly schedule. Basically, since I started uni, I decided I'm going to write down every single lecture and tutorial I have so I can map out my day, and then using the empty blocks, I can actually create a study schedule so I can say, okay, so for the next hour I can study for example, commerce or maths and all that, so I can just be more organized. Honestly, I don't even know if it's gonna work, so good luck to me. Next up is another spread that I've never done before. It's a weekly plan. So this way I can just be more specific about what I need to do each day, and I also incorporate my brain dump as a part of this, so each day I can write, okay, you have to do this today, and if it doesn't, I'll move it on to the next day and keep on rolling it in like this. And it's just a way for me to have a checklist for each day so I know what I have to do, so I'm forcing myself to be productive. I think this will be really helpful for uni and school in general. Now it's your turn. Good luck and have fun.